Hi artists! So we're heading into Thanksgiving, and what better way to celebrate than draw a turkey. But this won't just be any other turkey, it's going to be a turkey standing on a cupcake. So, I don't know about you, but I have memories of when I was younger, my mom would decorate the table with all sorts of cool things for Thanksgiving, and one of them was a chocolate turkey. So this is memories of that, but it's a cupcake. Yum. So let's start. So the cupcake is going to be on the bottom here with the icing and a cherry, and then the turkey is going to be over here. So that's how to plan your page. It's going to take up most of the page. So to start, you're going to want to do the cupcake bottom, and that's just 2 lines kind of slanted in, and you'll connect them. So you're making the cup of the cupcake. And the cupcake has some really cool features. There's a cherry on top. So we're going to put the cherry first so that we can plan out our icing. So there's a cherry. So let's put that really yummy icing, my favorite part. You can start from the bottom or you can start from the top, but I think the easiest way is to go down here on the bottom, and you're going to make these really cool swirls all attached together. And then this one goes this way. And then to make it kind of drip over the side, you're going to swirl it around to that way, and then swirl it around to the top, and then we have another one here. Try to catch up. And then our last swirl kind of connects everything together. Yum. And as you know, on a cupcake we have these lines that sort of create the paper liner that the cupcakes go in. So we're going to add those straight lines. And we can add some accents to our icing. And you'll be filling this in with color later. And the next step is our turkey. And so the turkey's kind of standing on the icing over here because he wants to take a bite. And the body is going to be started with doing the feathers first. So I think actually we'll do the back of the turkey's, his body part. So that's his back. And then here is his head. And he has one of those, beak things. I always forget what those are called. Can you remember what those are called? Looks like a script letter J with his eye. And then we're going to go all the way down here and end it there. So his wing, he has one wing, 1, 2, 3 humps, and a curve, and he's got some dots on his chest. I don't know, let's just make him different. And then he's got his feathers. So it's okay if it goes off the page a little bit, because this turkey's coming on in to eat his lovely cupcake. And he's got legs in that icing. All right. Looks like we've got it done. So I'm going to add some feathers here just to make him more interesting. You can do that or you don't have to. It's kind of off the page here. So the next and last thing I want to do is add a message. And the turkey is saying something. What would you like your turkey to say? That's up to you. So I can't wait to see how you create this. Send the pictures. I'm really enjoying seeing your work, and send a really cool Thanksgiving message. Have fun, artists. You'll see my next clip all sped up.